fuck? What is that? Fucking shooting at me, a boat. It's a fucking anti-air gun in the water! How is that? Anti-air guns in water! Fucking, he's dead. Where is he? Where is he? Cunt. Fucking. Come here, you cunt. Fuck it! Totally worth it!
Oh, there's a parrot. This guy's sniping, man. Jesus Christ. This guy's MLG doesn't know he's gonna die. Oh my god.
God, the whole fucking thing exploded.
I didn't mean to blow up the helicopter. I only meant to blow up the guy that was playing the objective.
Vote kick, Chaboy.
He's disappeared. He was there. The ground sucked him in, has he? There's a sand shark on this map. Slowly back off. And run for your life.
Oh, there we go.
That's how you take out a fucking goddamn helicopter that spawned me. I'm done!
Mate, it was about 5 feet away from you. That wasn't MLG.
Oh no, I'm getting sniped at. Take cover of it.
Ah!
Oh my god. You're the one with the team.
You suck, you jackass.
Oh, there's a cat!
Ah! I'm in the back of the boot, look! He's kept me as a wee trophy. He's gonna take me to his chamber and rape me. What is this?
Go on.
That spray though. What? Holy shit, I just whacked off the bus. Oh, and that guy just died. Oh.
Oh, fuck!
We're gonna try and jump it, has it?
Woo! Whoa! That was epic!
We made it.
Was epic!
Winning.
We made it, bro. I'm gonna try and put C4 on it, has it?
Indicating.
Gotta put, get closer, I've got to put C4 on it. Oh.
Still got tick.
Come on. I've got it.
What the fuck are you doing?
We got stuck in between a hard place and a train.
A rock place in a train.
Oh, damn it. What the fuck? How is that? Tried to jump in it and it just blew my claymore up and killed me. Fake ass game.
Keep shooting him, Azzy. Keep shooting him, bro.
Vehicle hit, he's dead. What was that? You're terrible.
It said no trespassing, mate. Bad man.
Ah! Ah, you bastard! You... Was that the...
That was the big red button, bro.
Oh, here it comes. Be knife fight, eh? Vehicle hit with my claymore! Oh my god!
A claymore, eh? A claymore? See, that's what you gotta do. For completely fucking me about using claymores when you asked for a knife fight, bro.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! You prick. I can't see.
Yeah!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, that was a jail. I blew up
That
your
was
C4.
a jail C4, mate. Not getting any ammo. Oh my god! You threw that for miles!
Get quick scoped with an MLG package C4, motherfucker.
Fake.
Welcome to Basketfield 4. And here I am, Chaboy, going to attempt a 3-pointer across the basketfield court with just one bullet. Maybe just not one bullet, but I'm gonna fuck shit up. Let's do this.